Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to delete your TaxAct account. So delete it, first of all you have to visit that website. So just go to Google, search for TaxAct here. Now click on this first link, that is the official link here. And here they will ask you to log in into your account. So here first of all you have to log in into your account. And once you log in, look for an account settings. This is usually found under the profile name or in the menu labeled as a setting or as an account. After that, Tax Act does not provide a direct option to delete an account through the online portal, right? So instead, you will need to contact Tax Act customer support to request the deletion of your account, right? So go to the contact us section. If you don't know where to find this contact us section, let me show you. Just go to Google, search for Tax Act account, contact us, and here you will get this official number here. And as you can see here, there are three different numbers which is supported by the tax act. And here you can just call them and ask them to delete your account. So on the phone call they will ask you some of the information related to your account, and then they will help you to delete it. I hope you found this information really helpful. Subscribe.